Come on, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, I'm Not Your Guy here, and I've got another pretty cool tutorial for you. We're going to work on setting up a face tracking camera. I've already got mine set up in OBS. I'm going to walk you through how I set mine up. The first thing to do is download the Snap Camera application. The link for that is in the description down below. Now, I've already got mine open, but of course you want to right click and run as administrator when you open it up. When you open it up, here's what it looks like. You'll go through the filters, which you can search right here. And I just typed in face tracking. And I already have mine saved. The one that I like to use, unchecked. Oh, nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Haha, resave that. The one I like to use is this one with the guy with the red sunglasses. You click that and it turns it on. When you click on the camera scene itself, it gives you the option to start face tracking. You'll have a close-up one like that and a shoulder view one. I like to have mine zoomed out all the way because I like to have my full frame of my room in my scene still. Now, if you see, I'm going to move around for a minute and it'll track me around the room. It's a pretty handy little feature. So to get this into OBS, what we're going to do, I'm going to minimize that and bring up OBS. Bam, I'm already there. So I'm going to use the same scene I created in the last tutorial, making the circle frame like this. If you wanted to create this without that, all you would do is open up a new scene. We'll call it Snap Camera 2. Click OK. You get a blank canvas right there. Hit the plus icon here, and you'll want to go to Video Capture Device. I've already got the video capture device set, SnapCam 1. I'm just going to call this one SnapCam 2 so we can keep them separated. Click OK. On here, you'll open up your device menu, and instead of grabbing your webcam, you will grab the Snap Camera. Bam, there you go. Now, if you want to get this into any of your scenes, you'll just have to remember you have a Snap Camera here. You can go up to your scene, look at the gaming scene, come down to the plus icon, and we will add, where's it at? Aha, I'm right over it. Add a scenes source. In this scene source, you will add existing, come down and grab your Snap Camera 2. In my case, this is what I'm using. Click on that, click OK, and bam, it brings your Snap Camera 2 into frame. From here, you can size it and position it wherever you want. Easy peasy, right? Now, since I've already got the circle one on here, I'm just going to delete the Snap Camera 2. I'm also going to delete that source. That scene, rather. Now, Snap Camera 1. To get the rounded edges, I do the same thing I did in the other tutorial where I open up my filters, add an image mask, and I created a black and white image to get those rounded edges. Just applied the same mask to the same camera I've been using. Gives me those nice rounded edges. Same effect I used with the cropped camera. I just put that in the exact same scene, adjusted the camera where I wanted it in the circle, which was right about there. Move it back a little bit. There we go. And then just added these scenes into my sources for the scenes that I wanted them in. All right. If you guys have any questions on this tutorial, please feel free to leave me a comment down below. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any ideas or questions on future tutorials, definitely reach out to me. There's a Discord link down below, and I stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/I'mNotYourGuy every Wednesday and Sunday, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I look forward to seeing y'all there. Bye.